So I just wanted to share a little early day interview. Signs up. I'm on my deck, and I'll show you the view here. I think one of the guys is already up here doing what they do, maintaining the grounds. Always very, very beautiful, very well kept. And I'm just gonna walk around down here so I can kind of find the space. One thing that I will say is that many people in their everyday life, no matter what the problem is or what problems they're going through, issues, whatever, there are different ways to handle getting to the solution, and I found that that's really the kind of person that I am. I will discuss the problems, but during the discussion, at the end of the discussion, we need to get to a solution. If there's no solution, then I'm done with it. I heard something also, and I made a little post on it, and it said that whatever the problem is, address it. Okay? You either you address it. If you can fix it, you fix it. If you can't fix it or change it, then leave it. And I agree with that, because if you have an issue or problem or something like that you cannot fix, you've tried, and you just can't do anything with it, maybe it's time to leave it alone. But people, in many instances, they agonize over different things, So, hey, I'm all about that peace. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm sharing a little peace with you here in Jomtien Beach. Again, that's the view. That's the view every day, all day. So I just went through my whole routine and my workout and my meditation and everything, and I forgot to press play. So if you want to see what I do, you have to come back and watch me tomorrow at sunrise. Let's go.
I keep on. Spark on your vanity, right now she with you, tomorrow she with me, this bitch is a demon, she a pro, she be catching the semen, she get it up on the floor, move like a shadow, she creep on the low, my Glock in the press and it match my cologne, start with the beanie but stay on the road, all black fit looking built for the smoke, silk on the